Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your name on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And after logging in, if you wish to edit your account name, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon as well. From here, tap on See More in Account Center, which will take you into the Account Center page. Then just tap on Profiles, and once you tap on your profile, you will see the name section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be able to change your name right away. After entering your desired name, go ahead and tap on the Review Change option, and it will be changed on your profile right away. Make sure you understand that once you change your name, you will not be able to change it once again for 60 more days. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your name on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.